Welcome back to the workshop. I'm Kyle with another quick tip. This week we're talking about sharpening versus honing. Sharpening is where you actually remove material from the knife edge to form a new cutting edge. Honing is using the existing metal on the knife to straighten that metal back into a cutting edge. This is a honing steel. You may also have something like a ceramic honing rod. A common misconception out there is that these sharpen knives. They don't. What they do is they align the existing metal on your knife back into a straight line. As you use your knife, you'll naturally end up bending or rolling the edge. That doesn't necessarily mean it needs to be resharpened, and that's where honing and ceramics come in. They allow you to stand that edge back up into an alignment and get more use out of that knife between sharpenings. Let's take a closer look at how to get the most out of a honing steel or ceramic rod. Place the rod tip down into a cutting board. Hold your knife at about a 20-degree angle. This one has guides built in. Draw the knife down, maintaining that consistent angle, and just take a few passes. It doesn't take much to realign that edge. Think of this as maintenance. This is something you do before you prep every meal, and it's also going to prevent you from having to sharpen your knives as often. When it comes to sharpening, you're going to need something that can remove some metal, and that's why the honing steel and the ceramic just won't do the trick. They're not aggressive enough to be able to remove that metal. You're going to want to use something like a whetstone, a diamond plate, or a diamond rod. These are the types of materials that will remove that metal to form a new cutting edge. There's a lot of sharpening systems out there. My advice is to use the system that you're most comfortable with to get the edge that you want. That's going to do it for this week's quick tip. For a more in-depth look at sharpening tips and tricks, check out our YouTube series, The Workshop. Thanks for watching, guys.